I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing, but we're gonna figure it out as we go. I want to get to that spring thingy. I don't even know what the hell I want to get to. I just want to fix it. Okay, I guess I gotta take this apart too, huh? Let's slide that over the fucking top of it so I can see what the hell I'm doing. Well, these are different size than them. They're the same thing. They're the same fucking thing. Well, that's pretty cool. At least a uniform. If this fixes it, which I doubt it because I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing, I'm gonna fucking laugh. I think there's another screw up top there. I don't know. Maybe I can just pull it apart enough to get it off. You come off. Okay, I think you got one in here too. Well, at least I can see the tabletop now. I had a bunch of, man, I had so much shit on here, ain't funny. I don't even know what the hell them gloves and shit came with. I can't fucking remember. I think it was that stupid bearing thingy. Ooh, that's a small one, so we want to keep him separate, like over there, okay? Do I pry it apart or what the fuck? I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. Is there another screw in the fucker that I missed? Ain't no screw in there, is there? Nope. Is that a screw there? Okay. Huh. Well, I guess I got it out of there. I can't tell it, but what a bunch of shit this is. Oh, there goes the tab piece busted off. Son of a bitch. Smart, Kevin, smart. Dumbass. Well, at least we'll know what makes them tick and whether we can fix them or not, so. You know what? I got a 3D printer. I can fucking weld that bitch back on there. Okay. This comes apart. Just like that. There's the screws left in there. There's the trigger. I don't know how the fuck that went, but whatever. Now that feels tight, but it's still kind of loosey-goosey. Will this come up over that? That'll come up over that. And there's a couple connectors here, but I don't think we need to remove them. Need to take this off, and that's dirty as fuck down there. Just pick it up like that. Take this thing off. There should be a spring down there or something to tighten. The whole thing is like loose though. I don't like it. Well, I know he goes there. And back up in there, that's my second fire button, and that's important. You go like that. Okay. I want to see if I can get a hold of that spring and fucking, like, do something with it. And I don't know if it's going to let me do that or not. Maybe I can stretch it back out or something. I don't know. All I know is this fucker's loose. And there ain't no damn adjustment for it, which is fucking stupid. That's the thing I'm talking about right there. I can take. It's like it bent back up or something. I think I fixed it. I don't know. Motherfucker went somewhere. Okay, continuing on. The next thing I need to do is to put the base back on. I think I just folded over. My memory's shit for this kind of stuff, so this is why I'm kind of running the video. I guess so I can go upload it. There we go. Okay, well, let me put the screws in. Let's see how we make out. Why am I only seeing 3 of these guys? What the fuck? I'm blind. There's the 4th one. Okay. And the 2 big ones. Okay. You can't screw up the sizes because it goes down there like that. There's one right there, which we're going to put the closest one onto us. Let me get my damn glasses on. I hate getting old. Fucking sucks, man. Can't see shit. Can't do shit. Boy, I can see now. Put the screw in the screwdriver, Kevin. Come on now. You can do it. Oh well, I don't have my magnetic bitch. But them big old fat heads, I shouldn't need it. Righty tighty, just making sure. Okay. This one up here, kind of like bolting a tire on, I guess. I don't know. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. That goes up into the top part. Oh, that feels so much better. Well, that got her fixed, but I fucked up with that tab, but we'll see what happens. But it definitely got her fixed. And this thing's been broken for a long time. I mean, I bought another joystick because of this. Okay. I need to get one down here by the cord somewhere. Does one go through there? Yeah, one goes in there. Okay, we can do that too. Well, I guess one ain't gonna go in there. I don't know what the hell that is. Let me see. What's in there? There's a hole there, I think. Okay. Whoops. Yeah. Alright, leave him alone. Just go for another one, that's all. That's Elite Dangerous in the background. I apologize. They're in the station and I turned the volume up later. Yes, I was playing that and got the idea to fix this one for the... I got a second PC for AFK shit. Okay, and then one for that. I don't even know if one goes in there or not. Might just be a fucking air hole or a peg hole or something. I have no idea. Okay. A lot of fucking screws, man. No wonder he used a goddamn zip drive for that shit, but I'm scared to do that. I'll break the fucking plastic when I do that shit. But that did fix it, I can tell you already. All I did was stretch the fucking spring. Fucking crazy, huh? There's a screw there. Okay, he's tight. There's a lot of fucking screws, man. I think 2 of them belong to the joystick, though. I hope so. I don't know. Either that or I'm losing some. Two for the joystick. There was none in there. See? Unless there's one floating around where I don't know where it is. Okay. And then... Wait a minute. I don't know. We'll see. That wasn't good. Like that. That goes on the bottom. Hold this down. Take the top one. And go around the tab this way. It splits the tab this way. That's your yaw control. And that was my fuck up. Anyway, I'm gonna charge the batteries and we'll go from there. Bye-bye. Okay, I got her back put together and I figured out what the problem was that I was having. And we are going to try to pull this left tab off again. Put the trigger back on. Oh, son of a bitch, man. Where's the flap at? Right there. So we're going to put him in there, put him on that flap. But I also figured out what the problem was. Can you see that? Let me get my little pointers out. Can you see that little thingy right there? That has to go in here. And it wasn't lining up. So that's where we are. We were having a problem with it. But I do like the tape bullshit. I did see this guy, and the guy was very helpful on YouTube. I think they changed the models over the years. Mine's different with the, or either that or he didn't show the shit. I don't know. But it's just, well, we don't want it that way. We want it, let's turn it all the way around and put it down. Whoa, don't you do that. Put it like that. We don't want it getting in the thingy, but we want it to hold. Okay, so anyway, put all this back. What I was having to do is to get her in here. I'm going to hold that left side and that little thingy. You got to have that little thingy and that little thingy there, okay? And I can't see the bitch without my light, and I don't know where my light is, but we're going to try to feel our way into where it goes. That's the bottom part. There we go. And that's good. And that joystick is a lot better, okay? And I'm just gonna stick one of the big fucking screws in it. I can't remember what, I'll have to go look at whatever goes where, but if I can get one in it to hold it. Yeah, I hope it's, should be righty-tighty from that other part, so all I'm trying to do is get her to hold together. But that little thingy right there was getting us stopped, so that worked that way. And let me continue on. Like I said, I don't know if this is going to work or not. The little small ones go up there, I know that. I got to get two down here. And I don't remember if they were both small or what. I put the big one in. Let's put in what we know. I don't remember that small one where it goes. But it goes somewhere. Uh-oh. Well, that ain't good. Let's try another one somewhere else. There's another one that goes up here. I can't remember where the damn small one goes. That's where the tab is. There's one right here. There it goes. Okay, and I'll just tighten them up enough. Well, you heard the crack. Damn it, I can't remember where that small one went. I'll have to load up the video. There's two big ones and a small one that goes somewhere. Okay, I think the big one goes there and the small one goes there, if I remember right. But, well, like I said, I'll load up to see where everything goes. So, got that small son of a bitch goes somewhere. I can't remember where it goes. Alright, that's pretty tight. This thing needs to go too. I think another big one will go in there. I don't know. We'll see if it does. Like I said, I'll go back and review that. It goes some fucking place, but I can't remember where. It might not be that important. I don't know. Pull all the tape off. And I got one little dinky one left, and I'll have to go back and let's see where that small one goes because I can't remember. Okay. I think I'm going to have a feeling of wherever it is, though. I don't think that thing's working right either. Oh, man, really? Can't get the fucking tape off. Great. Here it comes. Get off of there. Okay, that button's working right. Good. Awesome. All right. Let me stop it here. Okay, what this is all about, I just fixed the joystick, so I'm trying out to see if it works. I got the volume, I think, of the game turned down. I don't remember, but I really don't care. This is just all about the joystick. So this thing broke. The ship, I don't know, it would just turn and maneuver on its own, so that was cool. But it ain't doing squat now. But, oh, nothing's happening. I'm going, what shit, it ain't working. But it's working now. It's still kind of loose. I don't like that part of it, but it's better than it was. I'm using it right now. I can tell because I broke a tab to it. But I can do the joystick calibration deal to it, and it should be fine. I'm just trying to get it enough away. And I want to check the triggers too. But in a pinch, I can use it. It's just loose feeling. I don't know why. I got it, all the hardware put back in it, but it's not like the other one. The other one's tight. I'm reaching down on the floor to check it. It's just a little bit loose, but I'll figure that out. And I don't know why. I stretched the spring out as far as I could. I think we're far enough away. Let me put, I think I can do I think I can do forward fire. Let's see if this works. I don't know if it will or not. Yeah, it does. Cool. All right. It's still moving on its own a little bit, but that's okay. It's a lot better than it was, and I can go back in there and tighten it up because I know how to do it now. I made a video, so let me see if this works. I don't have it on. Shit. Hang on. I'm checking the discovery scanner to see if I can get my button 2 to work. Awesome. So I didn't fuck nothing up, but I'm not happy with it being so loose. But that's cool. All right. Well, let me get back to the station. Like I said, it's a backup, so I just gotta not pull on it so much and stuff like that, but it's working good. Pretty cool. You know what? Let's go to a different station. 'Cause I gotta go turn on all these bounties anyway. But I want to work on this video and get this, put this back where it was and put my modes back on fire at will. Especially in this vehicle, because if I don't leave that off, oh boy, that would be not a good idea. Alright. Oh. But it's doing alright. It'll work on that other computer, you know, just to get the ships out and do that.